Hey, what's up YouTube, and today I'll be showing you how to upgrade your virtual RAM. Yeah, awesome. Now virtual RAM is not the same as the RAM you manually put in your computer with your hands. It's not like that where you open your computer up and put it in. If you have like 1 GB of RAM in your computer, I would recommend getting I would recommend getting some RAM that you put in your computer with your hands. I don't know what you call it. Some RAM, little RAM pieces, things, and manually put them in there. Because if you only have 1 GB with the fans that the internet has right now, your computer is going to be pretty slow. So first of all, and you can still do this even if you have 1 GB temporarily. But if you have like 4 GB like me, you can do this and it'll just have a pretty good extra boost. So what you want to do is click on your start button and then right click on computer and go to properties. Then what you want to do is go to advanced system settings. And then you want to click on advanced, and then don't worry about any of these 2 other little boxes. Only worry about this for right now. So performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. So go to settings, click on that settings right there, and go to advanced up on the top, and then go to down here, the virtual memory box down here, and click on change. Now this will speed up your computer very much, and I have mine already upgraded to as high as it can go. And then all you want to do is get out your calculator, and what you want to do is see how many gigabytes of RAM that you have in your computer over here, right here. Oh, so I've got 3 gigabytes installed memory RAM, and you want to see, so you have 3 gigabytes of RAM. Then what you want to do is come over here to your calculator, and you want to do 1024 times however many gigabytes of RAM that your computer has. So mine would be times 3, and then equals 3072. Now now times that by 1.5, and that equals 4608. And so over here I upgraded mine. It was at 3,000 something. So I upgraded mine to 4,608. Now don't mess with anything else on this page. Now before you even get into this virtual memory box, this might be checked off. So you want to check that and then change it. So both of these little boxes right here, they're gonna be the same number, and you want to change that to the highest number. Oh, sorry about that. That was my phone. These are both going to be the same number of whatever it is at first, and you want to change that to the maximum number by the calculator and the times that I just showed you guys. You want to put in the number 4,608 or whatever you've got. If you got 3 gigabytes of RAM in your computer, you're going to put 4,608 in both of these. And if you got other types, like, just do what I did, the steps in the calculator, and put those numbers exactly the same in each box. And then click set. And then you're good to go. And you have your computer, your computer's virtual RAM upgraded. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and share it with your friends.